Hey, Colin Fidgen here with Precision Soap and Precision Power Wash. I hope everything is going well and you're staying safe. On June 26th from 9 to 4 p.m. here in Somerdale, New Jersey, we are offering up a day-long educational course. We have Seal and Lock in the house doing certifications in the morning. We will be doing a demo on our Precision Mister cleaning machine and our Mr. Chemical that is certified by the CDC for killing the COVID-19 pandemic situation that we have at the moment. In your registration fee for $49, what you're going to get for that is you're going to get your lunch, your dinner, happy hour, and then also a gallon of our famous roof wash additive, gutter cleaner, or our infamous RustX. Right there, one choice of whichever one you want. That's what you get for your $49. We are going to be doing some business talks in the afternoon, and then happy hour is on from 4 to 6 p.m. and that is included in the registration fee. Just click below, hit it. I've only about 50 spots available due to social distancing. Here is our speakeasy lounge and conference room. Come on up, do yourself a solid, come up for your business and yourself. Take the day, get to meet, network, enjoy people, sit and talk with me for a few minutes, and we'll all have a great day to learn, network, and grow together. We do appreciate your confidence, and that's it. Click on the link below, folks, right down there, and we'll see you soon. We'll see you on the 26th. Cheers.